Today we have all gathered here to attend the Faculty Development Program at Institute of Sudrun Punjab in coordination with NBEAC. Basically the purpose of this program was to engage all the business institutions from the Southern Punjab in particular and pave the way for the future, that what are the basic challenges that institutions face in the development and capacity building of their faculty, and how we can overcome those challenges.
It's a great interaction with the top business school deans and HODs, and I wish best of luck to Institute of Southern Punjab for putting this show together, and I wish them success and the bright future ahead.
I really appreciate the effort ISP team already have done. First time it happened that ISP took the initiative to conduct our Dean's Development Program 2024, and hope it will continue in coming days, inshallah.
One of the wonderful program, and that is helping us to develop deans and director leadership for the academia. And this is also providing opportunity to have a networking between different institutions and between different faculty members.